Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove backgrounds in CapCut Mobile. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply remove backgrounds in CapCut Mobile, then all you gotta do is simply go to CapCut. Once you go to CapCut, you need to simply add a video or a selected project that you have been working on. Now you need to simply select a clip. After that, you need to simply scroll down, and in the bottom menu you can find an option called remove PG, which is particularly remove background. Simply tap on it, and now you can simply go for custom removal and simply select the portion you want to remove. Once you've selected the portion you want to remove from your background, you need to simply hit the tick mark. Once you have tapped on the tick mark as well, now you will find that your background has been removed accordingly, and you can also do a auto removal, but for that you need a pro version of CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.